Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I am super excited because I am collaborating with Merit Beauty. And Merit Beauty is actually a new brand, clean, vegan, cruelty-free, all that, you name it. It will be launching at some Sephora stores. So I definitely want to thank you so much, Merit, for collaborating with me on this video. But nevertheless, I want to show you guys what these products are. I want to use them in this video and share my thoughts, my first impressions, and things like that. So if you are new to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, definitely helps your girl out. And if you want to see how I got this look using all of the Merit Beauty products, then keep on watching. Super cute. So this is what the box looks like. This is all the products. Really cute packaging. And then on the top of the box, it says less is more at Merit. And it comes with the card and everything like that. The products look very luxurious, and I will show you guys what the products look like here. The bag is super cute. Look how nice this makeup bag is. It's like really, you know, good quality corduroy material, and you can tie it like this. It is such a cute bag. Like, you could actually wear this as a regular, like, cute little handbag. So I think it's really cute that they, you know, took time to take that gesture into the makeup product. So like I said, it's a beauty and self-care product that is all about creating your beauty in a quick amount of time for less being more, and super like clean and just effortless type of makeup. So let's jump into that. They did give me this brush as well, so it's like a kabuki type of fluffy, really fluffy brush, sturdy. And I'm gonna start. So I already moisturized my face and primed it because that is not in this collection. So you guys know I typically go in with a sponge anyway, but we're just gonna test everything out. So I'm gonna first do my brows as I typically would. And the first item that I'm gonna use for that is this brow product. So the brow product is a brown volumizing pomade. And on the packaging, it says Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. And the packaging looks like this. Really cute gold packaging. I'm a sucker for gold, and that is what a lot of this makeup line has, a lot of gold accents to it. So because it doesn't have a brow pencil, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly fill in, or, you know, line my brows, and I'll show you guys how I do that. And then I'll fill in with this brow pomade. And typically for like no makeup type days, that is what this line is like really giving me, just looking at it off bat. If you line your brows and then go in with a pomade, it definitely looks like you know, took time to do your makeup, and this is effortless. It's very light and airy. It's not too waxy. It's not too hard. I'm just gonna fill in a little bit of sparseness here. It's not too hard. The brush is really nice. It definitely is suitable for my thick brows and hairs. And now we're gonna go into the Perfecting Complexion Stick. This is in the shade Buff. Now, it was a challenge picking this out online because it's not in store, but the packaging looks like this. Really cute. Again, that gold accent. But this is what the color looks like, and you can roll up or down the foundation stick. So this is in the shade Buff, and I'm just hoping that it works. So let's see. This is definitely for if you are on the go and you're not, you know, if you just want to quickly, like, maybe like spot conceal, you know, just cover up some spots on your face, or if you just want to, you know, try to look put together. I think I did well with the color though. I know they say less is more, but I'm telling you, sometimes with foundation sticks, you really do get, you know, not a lot of coverage. So I just want to show you guys what the coverage is and if it's buildable and things like that. So why not test it out all the way. I like how it glides on the skin though. Very creamy. Not too creamy where you feel like it'll be oily in a few minutes, but creamy enough. So I'm gonna use the brush, try to use the brush a little bit before I go into my sponge, because I am a sponge girl. And I think I asked you guys that before, or even told you guys. But I just wanna try the brush out. Now, typically a brush will give you more coverage than a sponge anyway. So think I did a good job picking out this color though. The brush is so fluffy and soft. Very, very fluffy and soft. Now, if I wanted to, I could spray my face with some type of setting spray or refreshing spray just to, you know, move it around. But this foundation stick is not one of those thick sticks to the point where you can't move the product around with the brush. So the brush is actually nice. Like, I don't even need to go in with my sponge unless I just want to be extra. But the point of the matter is that this is a quick and easy makeup look and brand overall. My skin feels really, really good. It doesn't feel too heavy or weighed down. Wow, this looks really, really good. It looks so good. Yeah, if you put the amount on that I just put on, I would say it's a medium coverage, but I'm sure if you just wanted to just add a few lines, then it is definitely light to buildable. Like, you could build it up. It isn't, I wouldn't say it's an immediate full coverage. You probably can build it up to be full coverage, but I think it looks good like this for an everyday look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some concealer. They do not have a concealer in the line, but that's all right. I'm gonna put some concealer on. Right, so I went ahead and set my under eye as well, and then we can finish off the face. But I did get this highlighting balm. This is the highlighting balm in the shade Bounce, and the packaging looks like this. Really, really cute highlighter. So a lot of the products are more of that like natural look. Ooh, I don't even know why I put it all the way up here. More of the natural look where you can use your fingers or you can use the brush that I was just showing you, but this is definitely gonna give a glow. I don't know why I was talking and pushed that all the way over there, but okay. So far, they're gliding on really nicely. They're definitely like everyday type of products. So I'm gonna go in with all these cream ones. A lot of them are creams, and then go in with something to set it. They do not have powders just yet, so I'm excited to see, you know, the powders that they'll come out with. This is the cheek color, and I picked it in the shade Terracotta. So the packaging for the blush looks like this. It almost looks like a lip balm or something, but this shade was really, really cute to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this on the cheek. I know this is like an everyday, I picked the everyday color that can like mimic a bronzer for those, and I'm really going ham on it because it is super, super light. So this is what it looks like without it being on top of the skin. But I thought this is a really nice, I thought it was a really nice color. So I'm just using the brush still that they have and just stippling that into the skin. But this color gives like a flush of color, you know, not too much. They do come in other colors like a berry and pink and a peach. Make sure you guys check out the link. It'll be in the description box below. But if you are into, you know, minimalist, less is better makeup, then this is definitely for you, and I think you should try it out. All right, so now that I've set my face, this actually looks really, really good. It is still lightweight. My skin feels very airy. It doesn't even feel like I put anything on it, even though I set it with powders just so that it can, you know, shine through a little bit more. I will say that if you have dry skin, this is gonna be perfect because it is super, super, super dewy, but not dewy to the point where you're feeling like a grease ball. Like, it gives that natural glow. That's what I mean. It gives a natural glow like your skin, but better. So I really do like that. I didn't think I would like a cream blush, but this is really, really nice. And I just set it with a very similar shade powder. So far, so good. So the last two items that I'm going to talk about from this line is the mascara and the lippy. So let's go in with the mascara. So the mascara is the lengthening mascara in the shade Perfect Black. Packaging looks like this. Super cute. Just your standard one. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's see about this. You guys know I love mascara, so let's see if this does the test. Okay, so that's the mascara. It's okay. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end. So last but not least, we have this really, really pretty tinted lip oil, and I have it in the shade All Natural, and it looks like this. And the packaging is really, really cute. Now, lip oils, I haven't tried a lip oil in years. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna try it on by itself first, and then if I wanna put a liner on, I will. It's really, really soft. So this is what it looks like without a liner. Very, very creamy and moisturizing, because you're giving off that no makeup look. Just all natural, very, very simple, very clean and fresh. That's what I'm getting. Like, my whole face just looks really, really clean and fresh and effortless. And that's the point of this brand. So let me try this on with a liner just to be extra. But yeah, definitely cute with the liner. This is the entire face. Okay, so this is Merit Beauty, and I hope you guys check out their website in the description box below. Out of all the products that I tried today, I would say my least favorite, let's start with least. My least favorite would be probably the highlighter and the mascara. Like, for me, when it comes to highlighters, I like to use loose powders. This one's a cream, but it definitely does its job. If you want to, you know, add more glowiness to the skin, you can put this on before you do the foundation. But yeah, I could do with or without, especially with everything else that made my face glowy. This particular foundation stick is enough dewiness for me anyway. And I didn't even set my face. Like, this looks really, really good with the setting spray, I mean. As far as the mascara, the packaging is super cute, but to me, I had to keep going in with coats. I went in with so many coats and I still didn't get, you know, I like my lashes to be really, really wispy and like spidery and just all over the place and very thick and volumized and dramatic on my own lashes. So yeah, for the mascara. But if you know, don't have long lashes, this is perfect. I like using it on my bottom lash line as opposed to the top lashes. This is perfect for the bottom lash line. It fits perfectly under the eyelid, and those are the two least favorite. I liked everything else. Out of everything else, including the brush, shockingly, because I typically use a sponge to go in with any like foundation stick or whatever, but surprisingly, I like this cheek too, the blush, the cream blush. And my favorite out of all, because I know I like them all, but my favorite of them all was the foundation. It is super lightweight. Like I said, very glowy on the skin. Just feels really airy, and I would definitely be using these products on those days where I don't feel like doing too much and we're wearing masks. Girl, I'm gonna keep you guys posted on how this holds up with wearing a mask. So yeah, I like it. Definitely let me know down below your thoughts. Definitely check out their website. If you see anything on the website, definitely check it out and purchase it and try it and let me know your thoughts. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me testing out a new brand that is about to be physically in some Sephora stores. I cannot wait to see what else they're going to be bringing onto the line. I do want them to come out with some powders just to set everything, you know, maybe a blotting powder for those people who have oily skin. But I think that all these products are very versatile, very user-friendly. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying this makeup out. Leave me your comments down below on your thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.